Hey everybody, what is going on? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video, we're gonna continue the conversation with Terra, Luna Classic, LUNC Army. Are you ready? So, in the channel, we've been talking about this one for a while. Obviously, LUNC has done something incredible, but for the last couple of weeks, even a month from now, we just seen the decline in price, and it's affecting everybody's pocket and the momentum, the community. People are now turning to other different community tokens or just different projects, right? Which makes total sense. But things can change, and it's up to the user to buy when it's low, sell when it's high. It always helps in crypto. Now, these yellow arrows you see on the screen represent the Binance burns that on the first one at October 1st, just made a lot of sense and the price pumped a lot. But after these 3 consecutive burns every week in difference, we haven't seen that yet. But we just saw that a week ago the burn happened, and well, the price was able to consolidate at around 3023, 30 coming close to the 301. And because of Bitcoin pump earlier today, we're seeing LUNC at least scratching the surface around and way above this consolidation price that we had for the last 5 days. Now you also see another rectangle here on top. That is where I would like to see LUNC position at around 302 high or 303. And these are levels that obviously don't make much of a difference if you're thinking long term with this project, but it's for you to know, right, that at the current time, and if you've been watching a lot of LUNC content, you know that more validators are coming into the blockchain. Right now we had 90, then when it went down to 83, then right now it's 78, but tomorrow more validators are coming in. Then from 1.2 tax burn, it changed to 0.2% tax burn, which immediately we were able to see the change in burn from really nice and steady growth to even negative growth, which is pretty crazy, but that's according to luncterrarity.io. Putting everything in on the table, I'm seeing that other content creators are passing, which is proposals when it comes to the Terra station to eliminate spam, proposals that don't help at all, or just to provide more value and add more utilities on the blockchain and the ecosystem. And finally, what I'm seeing is there's the IBC, the inter-blockchain communication being added to the Terra blockchain. So, or just open once again, so Cosmos can add some LUNC for utility on different Cosmos projects. So I just told you basically a couple of things that are happening just to keep you updated. Obviously, not many people are, as fanatic as with LUNC as they were before, but earlier today, Binance announced a contest, a showdown on Twitter, see which community was the loudest, hashtag Binance Bitcoin, and in number 2, hashtag Binance LUNC, which we'll see, but I'm pretty sure that by the end of the day, we'll see more LUNC hashtags on Twitter. But overall, the price hasn't done much, and when it comes to, I have it right here, USDC, the stable coin in quotes, not much, pretty much. That's what it is, right? A lot of people still calling it a scam, but do your research. And what I can tell you from here is that we're still observing all the movements. And as I go to different Twitter spaces and chats to listen to the experts, things are moving ahead for more utility, which is exactly how to combat the constant FUD and the price going down. It will take a while, but maybe, just maybe, this one will survive and it's not gonna be just in vain. Thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and like to the channel, and we'll see you in the next time. Bye, LUNC.